So, you're a life coach and you want to make more money. Well, this video, we're going to be going over the number one thing that every aspiring life coach who wants to make more money needs to know. Let's rock and roll.
Yeah. We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing business in the next 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going over the number one thing that every aspiring life coach who wants to make more money this year needs to know, and exactly what that is and how you can use this one thing so you can go out there and you can sign up multiple clients as a life coach every single week. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, right? Let's go over why most life coaches are struggling right now with signing up clients consistently, because I want to make sure that you're not caught up in this trap as well. And this trap that we call is what we classify as the freelancer trap, which is the number one reason why most life coaches are not out there signing up clients every single week consistently, which is really hurting them when it comes to creating and generating $10,000 months as a life coach, right? And then going out there ultimately and creating their first or their next 100K as a life coach or healer in the next year. So what we want to make sure that we are understand is that life coaches are getting caught in this freelancer trap of they go out there and they be a life coach, and it's awesome. They have a great offer and they're able to help a lot of people, but they go out there and they hustle and they hustle and they hustle for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months sometimes to sign up their initial batch of clients, right? So they're going to become a life coach, and then for the first 90 days, they're going to hustle, and they're just going to sell until they sell out of their one-on-one service or whatever it is that they're selling, right? Because they're usually going to have one offer. And then what they're going to do is they're then going to be stuck fulfilling for the next 3 to 6 months, and they're not going to have any time to prospect. And then once these clients end, they're going to need to come over here and prospect again. And the truth of the matter is they're never actually going to be able to stay in both places at once. They're going to get caught in this freelancer trap where they're just going in circles, and ultimately they're never going to be able, right, to consistently sign up clients every single day, every single week, every single month, which is really going to hurt them because they are never going to be able to grow their life coaching business where they want it to. And a lot of times they're never going to be able to live their dreams that they chose and that they wanted to live when they became a life coach to begin with. All right, so now that you know the biggest reason, the freelancer trap of why life coaches are struggling to sign up clients consistently, how do we go out there and eliminate the freelancer trap, and how do we go out there specifically every single week and demonstrate exactly how we can help people by actually helping people? And we do that through what we call here at Life Coach Launch profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is going to be is where you get people, right, every single week consistently to come to you and see how you can demonstrate and actually help them through an online event of some kind, like a workshop or possibly even like an online summit or an online masterclass, or it even could be a live event or a challenge, or something like that. But we want to make sure we get multiple people to come together, right, to where we can help multiple people with a specific problem. And what this is going to do is this is going to get you seen more times in the marketplace. This is going to get you seen by more people who need your help, and ultimately getting those more eyeballs on you simply because you're out there not just talking about how you can help people, but actually helping people. You're going to not only have a lot more opportunities, but more and more people are going to be signing up with you every single week, and you can just kiss this freelancer trap bye-bye. Before I go into this next part of this in this video, we're going to talk about the 3-step selling system that we teach over here at Life Coach Launch to help you go out there and run successful, profitable presentations to where you can go out there, right, and sign up new clients as a life coach and healer every single week. I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and they can sign up more clients as a life coach and healer here very, very quickly using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so the first thing we really want to make sure that we do here when we're looking to put on successful, profitable presentations is we need to go out there and we need to identify not only who it is that we're wanting to help, but what is the problem that they have and what is the solution that we're going to provide them. We need to make sure that we pick a perfect, profitable niche, and then outside of that perfect, profitable niche, we need to go out there and create an irresistible life coaching offer that is going to be so irresistible that the people inside of that niche that have that problem, that need that help, are going to feel stupid at saying no to the offer that you're going to present them. Then we want to make sure we're able to communicate with those people, right, over and over and over again, not only about who it is that we are, but about what it is that we do and how it is that we can help them, and specifically around, right, when the next profitable presentation is going to be where we can demonstrate and help them around the problem that they have. We want to make sure that we do this and we do all three of these things, because this is going to be very important when it comes to putting on our profitable presentation and it being a success. All right, so the next piece of this 3-step selling system is going to be actually putting on your presentation. So the first piece is identification. The second piece is going to be presentation. And in the presentation, really the first thing we want to make sure we do is we decide, right, what type of profitable presentation are we wanting to put on? Is it going to be an online workshop? Is it going to be an online summit? Is it going to be an online challenge, an online masterclass, or is it going to be a live event, right? Those are the 5 that we typically talk about here at Life Coach Launch that we like to put on, because those types of profitable presentations and online events are going to be great ways for you to demonstrate and help people with your profitable presentation inside those events, to where you can not only help and demonstrate to people, but you can also ask people if they would continually like to get your help and ultimately sign up people at the end of those profitable presentations. So we simply want to make sure we pick a date. After we do this, we want to pick, of course, a type of event, and we want to pick a date, right? This is very important because we want to start letting everybody know that we know, right? Who is it that needs our help, and specifically what is it that we're going to be doing, and when is it, and we would love for you to register and get you signed up. Ultimately, right, we just want to start letting everybody that we know around this date, and then the last thing we want to make sure that we do is actually show up. I know it seems really, really simple, but you actually want to show up. So many people get caught up in the slides that we teach, and the tonality, right, and the flow, and the sales stack, and all these things that we teach inside your profitable presentation. But the number one thing that we want our clients to do, and that really get our clients to sign up multiple people, is simply by showing up and teaching and helping and demonstrating, and then simply asking at the end of this profitable presentation if they, right, the people at that profitable presentation would want to continue to get our help more. Simply by doing that, you're going to sign up more people than you can ever imagine, because guess what, right? You simply went out there and helped people. They saw that you helped people. They believe that you can go out there and help them more. And now when you simply just ask them if they would like to get your help more so they could reach their goal, a lot of them are going to say yes. All right, so I've told you how you can, obviously go out there and run a successful, profitable presentation. Now let's talk about how we sign up people at those profitable presentations. And there's really like 2.5, kind of 3 ways that we sign up people, right? The first way is obviously we're going to be presenting them what we classify as a sales stack at that profitable presentation. So at the end of that profitable presentation, we're going to ask, right, the people there if they would like to continue working with us more. And we call that a sales stack. And there's going to be a lot of people at successful, profitable presentations that you run that are going to sign up with you at the end of that profitable presentation during the sales stack. The other way is we're going to, again, reach out to people that came to that profitable presentation and maybe they didn't sign up during that sales stack, and we're going to look at getting them on a one-on-one call so we can customize, right, the system or the thing that we help them with at the profitable presentation with them on that one-on-one call, and then ask them if they would like to get our help at the end of that call. If they still say they don't want to get our help, then the other thing that we do is we invite them to come to the next profitable presentation that we're going to have. We're looking to consistently put on profitable presentations so that we can stay in front of people. This isn't just a one-time thing. We're looking to consistently do it, because if we consistently do it, we'll be able to then invite these people who didn't sign up this time around, but maybe they'll sign up next time around, and each and every week we'll be able to build a mountain of more and more people that we can help. Are you a brand new life coach looking to go out there and sign up new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with a brand new free report which talks about the 10 hottest and winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now. This report is going to go over the 10 hottest and most profitable life coaching niches that are out there right now that you can use and you can leverage inside your life coaching business to make more money quickly. Just make sure to click on that link down there in the description and grab my brand new free report that I made just for you, that is going to go over with you exactly what the top 10 life coaching niches are right now in the marketplace, making the most money, and how specifically you can use them in your business. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I know you choose to win, because you're going to click on that link down there in the description, and you're going to get started on generating your first 10K payday by going out there and picking a perfect profitable niche down there in that free report down there below. We'll see you in the next video.